In this video, we shall see 1. Benefits of giving magic water to our chicks. 2. How to make magic water to give to our chicks. 3. When to give and for how long should we give magic water to our birds. Magic water is a mixture of apple cider vinegar, honey and garlic in your water for chicks. It serves as an immune system booster. It makes your chicks disease resistant. It is given to chicks for the first 1 to 2 days. Then you can go back to the normal water. How to make a magic water. Make 1 gallon of water. Make a half cup of honey, preferably raw honey. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, preferably raw and organic. 2 cloves of crushed garlic, preferably organic garlic. Mix all the ingredients together and pour into drinkers and leave in the chick brooder or chick coop for 1 to 2 days and remove and replace with the fresh and clean water. NB, warm water is to dissolve the honey. Thanks for watching my video. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell such that every time you upload a video, you get to know.